Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making some noise online, the TellyStick. It promises unlimited high-quality entertainment, thousands of free HDTV channels, and all without subscriptions or monthly fees. Sounds amazing, right? But is it too good to be true? In this video, we'll expose what TellyStick really is, whether it's legit or just another scam, and what better alternatives you should consider. Let's start with the claims. According to their ads, TellyStick is the first choice for unlimited entertainment. They say you can say goodbye to cable subscriptions, get access to a huge selection of channels, and watch in full HD. They even display logos from Google News, NBC, CBS News, USA Today, making it look super legit. They also claim you can watch over 1,000 free HDTV channels, use it with any TV, get full HD quality, pay no subscriptions or fees, and get instant access to all channels for free. Sounds like a dream device, right? But here's the reality. In reality, TellyStick is nothing more than a low-quality, rebranded streaming gadget. These types of devices pop up all the time under different names. They usually run on basic, free apps you can already get online without buying their stick. The logos and brands they use in their marketing, like NBC or CBS, are not officially partnered with them. They're just using recognizable names to make the product look trustworthy. And about those 1,000 free channels, most of them are random internet streams you can find for free if you know where to look. The quality is inconsistent, links break often, and you don't get the stable, high-quality streaming experience that real devices like Roku, Fire Stick, or Chromecast provide. Plus, if something goes wrong with TellyStick, there's usually no real customer support. Good luck getting a refund. So why is this a problem? Because products like TellyStick use exaggerated marketing to trick people into thinking they're buying a cable killer device. Instead, you're just paying for a cheap, generic gadget that doesn't deliver on its promises. If you want reliable streaming, stick to proven devices like Roku, great for free and paid channels, stable and affordable. Amazon Fire Stick, tons of apps, smooth performance, voice control. Chromecast, simple and works perfectly with your phone or laptop. These are backed by trusted companies, updated regularly, and actually deliver what they advertise. So is TellyStick a scam or legit? Honestly, it's a gadget with big promises and little delivery. It's not worth your money. If you're serious about cutting the cord, go with reliable devices that give you real value. What do you think about TellyStick? Have you tried it before? Drop a comment below and share your experience. It could help others avoid wasting money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more scam alerts and reviews, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.